Method of preparation of alkenes. Alkenes can be prepared by elimination reactions as well as addition reaction. First, we will study about the elimination reactions. So, elimination reaction is that reaction in which the two atoms or groups are eliminated from the adjacent carbon atoms. So, that is called as 1,2 elimination or beta elimination reactions. Let us study this by taking the example of the dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides. So, here we are taking the example of bromoethane and 2-chlorobutane. So, when these are the alkyl halides. So, when we are carrying out the reaction of this bromoethane with alcoholic QH, then there is elimination reaction which will take place, and this beta elimination will take place, that is the hydrogen and the halogen from the adjacent carbon atoms. So, the halogen is attached to the carbon. This carbon is called as alpha carbon atom, and the carbon which is next to this alpha carbon atom, it is called as the beta carbon atom. So, this H and Br are removed. This is beta elimination, and there is formation of ethene. So, in this way we are preparing ethene from this alkyl halide, that is ethyl bromide. Now, let us take the second example, which is 2-chlorobutane. So, when we react the 2-chlorobutane with alcoholic KOH, then there will be elimination of hydrogen and halogen from the adjacent carbon atoms. But first we will see how the elimination takes place, because there are two beta groups which are present, two beta carbon atoms which are present in the 2-chlorobutane. So, if the elimination takes place from the left side, then there will be formation of but1ene, which is 20% formation. If the elimination takes place from the Cl and the H which is present on the right side, then there will be formation of but2ene, which is 80% product which is formed. According to Saitsev rule, in dehydrohalogenation, the preferred product is the alkene that has the greater number of alkyl groups attached to the doubly bonded carbon atoms. The ease of dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides is tertiary alkyl halides is greater than secondary alkyl halides is greater than primary alkyl halides. This reaction, it is an example of beta elimination reaction. Alkenes can be prepared by dehydration of alcohols, that is the second beta elimination reaction. And the first, we had studied how the alkenes are prepared by the dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides. Now, in the dehydration of alcohols, primary alcohols, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols, in this the ease of dehydration of alcohols is tertiary undergoes dehydration faster than the secondary, and secondary undergoes dehydration faster than the primary alcohols. Now, in this, let us take the example of primary alcohols first. In the primary alcohols, butane 1-ol, this HOH is eliminated, water molecule, and there is formation of but1ene. That is the primary alcohol. It takes 75% sulfuric acid and 413 Kelvin temperature. So, here but1ene is the major product which is formed. Now, if we carry out the dehydration of secondary alcohols in presence of 60% sulfuric acid and 373 Kelvin temperature, then but1ene is the minor product and but2ene is the major product. So, here if there is elimination from this left side, then there is formation of but1ene, and if there is elimination of H2O from the right side, that is OH and H from the right side. So, there is formation of 2-butene as the major product. In tertiary alcohols, that is when tertiary alcohols undergo dehydration in presence of 20% sulfuric acid and 363 Kelvin, there is elimination of a water molecule either from the left or from the right. Suppose if it takes place from the right, then there is formation of 2-methyl prop 1-ene and water molecule is eliminated. The third elimination reaction by which we can prepare alkenes is the dehalogenation of vicinal dihalides. The dihalides of alkanes in which the two halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon atoms are called as vicinal dihalides. The example is 1,2-dibromoethane. Here we find that when we treat this 1,2-dibromoethane with zinc metal, then there is formation of an alkene. So, the two halogen atoms from the adjacent carbon atoms are removed and there is formation of ethene. Similarly, in 1,2-dibromopropane, there is formation of propene on reaction with the zinc metal. Now, let us move on to the addition reaction. The partial reduction of alkynes with dihydrogen in presence of Lindlar's catalyst. That is, what is Lindlar's catalyst? Pelletized charcoal with quinoline. So, there is formation of cis isomer by this method. So, using Lindlar's catalyst, there is formation of cis-2-butene. And if we use sodium in liquid ammonia, then same 2-butene will form the trans-2-butene. So, this but2-ine forms cis-2-butene in presence of Lindlar's catalyst, and same but2-ine forms trans-2-butene in presence of the catalyst sodium in liquid ammonia. So, in this way we have seen that is how alkenes are prepared by the elimination reactions and addition reaction. Physical properties of alkenes. The first three alkenes, that is ethene, propene and butene, are colorless gases. From C5 to C17 they are liquids, and the higher members of alkenes are solids. Second point, alkenes are odorless except ethene. Ethene has a pleasant smell. Next point is they are almost insoluble in water but soluble in the organic solvents like benzene, ether, chloroform. Then as the number of carbon atoms increase, the boiling point also increases. The branch chain alkenes have lower boiling points than the straight chain alkenes.